How to use onions to treat scars. Onions are a great vegetable that is used around the world, particularly to season some of the most common dishes to the more complicated ones. Onions have many beneficial properties for your health, and they can also offer a lot of support for skin-related problems. In this article, we will see how onions can be a very effective remedy for fighting certain scars, which can be from surgery or just typical, but bothersome, stretch marks. Onions for improving your skin's appearance. Onions are effective on scars by helping regenerate damaged skin. To use it, first take onion extract and apply it to the scarred areas. This extract helps improve collagen production wherever it is applied, significantly improving the appearance of scars. The effectiveness of onion extract. Onion extract is very effective on hypertrophic and keloid scars, scars that come from a surgery or injury, and their growth is excessive. They become very thick and have fibrous tissue. When you start the onion extract treatment, you will see results after approximately 6 to 8 weeks. How do you prepare onion extract? To properly prepare onion extract, you will need cutting board, knife, dish soap, water, ice, thermometer, coffee filters, distilled water, salt, 2 medium-sized bowls. Instructions. The first thing you should do is mix 3 grams of salt with 10 grams of soap. Cut the onion in very small pieces, trying to make them equal in size. Put them in one of the bowls. Next, add the salt and soap mixture and stir well. Put the mixture in the water bath for about 15 minutes, and then immediately put it in cold water for 5 minutes, and keep stirring. Put it in a blender for 5 seconds and then strain it using the coffee filter. Use the second bowl. The liquid that remains from straining the mixture is onion extract. In order to get the best results, onion extract should be applied to the scarred areas once a day, whether it is lured or mixed with a moisturizing cream or the cleanser you use regularly. You should be careful when using this product. If you have very sensitive skin, you are at risk of it getting irritating and getting contact dermatitis. That is why you should pay attention to your skin's reactions, and if you notice it getting red or something similar, you should stop the treatment immediately. If necessary, see a dermatologist as soon as possible.